Good morning, class. Today we will see the factors affecting fixed capital requirement. What is fixed capital? Fixed capital is that amount that is required to purchase heavy assets. The balance sheet side, asset side, you have all the assets, plant, machinery, building, land, equipment, all those things come under fixed capital requirement. That means it involves a big amount of money, somewhere in lakhs and crores, right? First one is the nature of business. There are two types of business, children. Either you can do trading or you can do manufacturing. If you are doing trading, then you don't require fixed assets only. You are not going to manufacture anything. Trading matlab kya hai? 10 का खरीदना 15 का बेचना. You are just buying and selling, right? So there is less purchase of plant and machine, just like a retail outlet. You are only retailing, you are only distributing, you are not manufacturing anything. When you don't manufacture anything, just retail outlet like your kirana shop or provision shop, do you really need a lot of money for machinery, equipment, furniture, computers, peripherals? No need, not required, right? So low investment is fixed asset is there for trading business, thereby less purchase of plant and machinery happens. When you purchase less amount of plant and machinery, then your fixed capital requirement is also very, very less. Coming to the other category of business, that is manufacturing. When you look at a manufacturing kind of business, there is high investment in fixed assets. They require heavy plants, equipment, machinery to manufacture the goods. They need a factory, they need a land, they need a building, etc., etc., etc. So more purchase of plant and machinery happens in manufacturing, thereby their capital requirement or the fixed capital requirement is quite very high. So here we are making a comparison between trading and manufacturing. For trading, there is less capital requirement. For manufacturing, there is more capital requirement. Coming to the second point, scale of operations. Two kinds of organization, again they are comparing. One is a large scale organization, another one is a small scale organization. When we talk about a large scale organization, they operate at a higher scale. They need more space. They need big plants, big machines, big investments. Thereby, higher investments is required for large scale. They require higher investment in fixed asset. That means they buy more of a fixed asset. More fixed capital is required. They buy more buildings, more land, more machine, more equipment. Thereby, more fixed capital is required. When you look at a small scale industry or a small organization, they operate at a very lower scale. Less space is required and less amount of requirement for plants and machinery. They also require, but when you compare to a large scale organization, they need less. So thereby lower investment in fixed assets, therefore less fixed capital requirement. When you look at the choice of the technique, there are two kinds of businesses again. Capital intensive business, labor intensive business. In a capital intensive business, high investment in plant and machinery. They purchase more plant, more machinery, right? So they need more fixed capital. But when you look at a labor intensive business, less investment in plant and machinery, therefore less fixed capital requirement is there. Labor intensive business pay lot of salaries and wages because they pay, for them the working capital requirement is more. They pay salary because labor intensive, got it? But for a capital intensive business, they require more in because they eliminate the labor. Right. Technology upgradation. There are certain industries or businesses where their assets, their computer assets become their assets basically become obsolete very, very soon. Thereby they need to be replaced. मतलब नए assets खरीदते रहना. The old assets, the lifespan of fixed asset, you know the depreciation, you have seen the life or expectancy rate of asset. So if the expectancy rate of asset or the asset is only 2 years or 3 years, again and again you have to buy. So higher investment in fixed assets may be required. That is the opposite of vice versa. When the industries where the life of assets are more than 20 years, 15 years, जैसे land and buildings, तो बहुत सारा for a longer period of time you can retain them. So thereby your fixed capital comes down. When you require more money to buy fixed assets, when you have to replace the fixed assets again and again on frequent basis, then particularly computer business, सॉफ्टवेयर अपग्रेडेशन या कंप्यूटर फॉर्मेट होना या न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से ऑब्सोलीट हो जाते. नए कंप्यूटर्स लाइक पहले एक डब्बा रहता था, देन केम फ्लैट, देन नाउ इट इज देन LCD केम, नाउ LED केम, नाउ सम हाई डेफिनिशन हैज कम. सो न्यू वर्जन्स ऑफ द monitors have come. So whenever there is a new version and you have to upgrade, then the old version becomes obsolete. Then growth prospects. Growth prospects, you have to pay attention to two areas, children. If there is higher growth in the organization, that means higher investments. Higher growth means naye branches khol rahe, you are buying more machinery, you are buying more, you are opening up more branches. Growth is there. So it entails larger investment in fixed assets. So thereby more fixed capital is required. However, if there is anticipated, abhi growth nahi ho raha, but 2-3 years mein growth hoga, we will reach the stage of growth. So when you anticipate growth in the future also, you may lead to create higher capacity to meet the future growth. That leads to increase in fixed capital. Abhi growth hai to be high requirement hai, and if you are predicting in the future if you want to grow, then today only you will save money for that. Even in that case, you need more fixed capital requirement. Talking about diversification. Diversification increases. Diversification mean what? Suppose you are doing textile business, now you want to do cement business. Suppose you are doing chocolate manufacturing, now you are entering into water bottle manufacturing. So different businesses you are doing. HUL is a classic example of diversification. So if you are into more diversification, then you have to buy more machines, you have to open more factories, thereby more fixed capital requirement is there. Right. Financing alternative. See, this is a fantastic thing. In India, I think ICICI Bank is an expert bank that specializes in lease financing. Yes, ICICI is the leading bank that specializes in lease financing. Instead of buying the asset, if you take it on rental basis, building on lease, machinery on lease, yes, you get big machines, Japanese and German machines on lease. So in that case, you will be paying rent. When asset is taken for lease, instead of buying the asset, the firm uses rentals. If you are going to pay rent, then working capital is more, but fixed capital requirement is less. In such cases, huge sums are not required to purchase the asset, because I am not going to buy it, I am going to rent the asset. Right. Level of consideration. Sharing of facilities, that is, level of collaboration. Sharing of facility, example is banks of ATMs of banks, where you can swipe the debit card or credit card anywhere in any ATM. They are reducing. If each bank has to have its own ATM, then there is no collaboration. Number of ATMs will increase. But if they collaborate and understand with each other, with the limited ATMs only, they can maintain customers of different banks. So thereby such collaboration reduces the level of investment required in fixed assets. So this is only one thing that in this chapter we are coming to the topic of, we are talking about the topic of requirement of fixed capital, that clearly says that when you invest more money in machines, plant, building, that is asset side of the balance sheet में ज़्यादा investment कर रहे हो, then your fixed capital requirement is more. If you invest less, then the fixed capital requirement is less. Right? Hope you have understood this. In case of doubts, please feel free to revert back. Thank you and have a fantastic day.